Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing all well. As you can probably guess from my voice, I'm not really feeling great, but still have to make this video, trying to upload once a week. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to see more content like this. So what's gonna happen today, I'm gonna show you how you can create automated backups of your Excel files. Basically, every time somebody will hit save on your Excel file, it will create a backup. Why do we need this? Basically, you personally probably you don't need it, but if you work in a shared environment where different people are using the same file, they update it, sometimes they update it wrong, sometimes somebody deletes the formulas, etc., bad things happens, and you wish you had a backup of this file. Yeah, and sometimes people just delete the file as well. This happens a lot of time in a company, you know what I mean, if you dealt with these kind of situations. So I had this situation as well, when my team member would update the file wrong, or they just accidentally delete it or move it to somewhere else where I couldn't find it anymore. So I created these formulas in VBA, which automatically creates the backups of your file each time somebody saves the file, and it creates the backups on the location of your choice. Let me demonstrate how it works. Basically, let's say I've got this file, for an example. I just update it with whatever random fake information, and when I'm going to press save, you will see an automated backup getting created here in this folder. Yeah, you see this? We got this folder with the date and the time. Yeah, when this was created. This is the actual time, the system time. So this is basically how it works. And to make this happen, you have to save your current workbook as .xlsm format. So this is a VBA supported workbooks, and next step is you go to your any of the sheet, right click on it, go to view code, go to this workbook and paste this code. Yeah, I will provide all this code in the description. Just paste it there. What is basically doing is just creating the backups each time you're hitting the save. Basically, after save, it's gonna run this code and generate the backup at this location. So you can change this to whatever location you want, and this is irrelevant. Basically, I'll show you what it is. You can leave this as it is. One more thing is checking whether you're trying to open the files from the backup folders. Let's say you open this file from this backup folder and try to do any changes and save it, it won't create any backup for these. Yeah, any file from your backup folder you save, it won't generate any more backups. So you have to take it out from there if you want to create a backups and make it like automated backup system running for it. So what also happens when somebody hits save, it creates an entry in this sheet, a backup sheet. Over here it tells you date, time, and user is a computer user who created this backup or instance, and this is the link to the backup. So in this case, this one, if I click on this one, it will open that one, this file over here, right? So you can easily navigate the backups as well. Alright, so mainly two things you have to make this happen. Make sure you have this code under this workbook, and paste it as it is, and change this location. Make sure it ends with a slash, and don't leave it like this, otherwise it probably won't work. And next thing, make sure you have a make sure you have another sheet called backup where it's gonna log all the entries. You can give it headers like this. Yeah, you can give it headers like this, or you leave it without headers, it will work regardless. That's it basically. If you have any issues running this code or anything like that, just comment on the video and I will support you with it. And if you want to watch more content like this, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one.